let's get warmed up with D throws. So what we'll do is we'll go through, let's do 4 on every note, up the scale, starting on low G. Dum, ba, dum, ba, 4 on every note, low G, all the way up to high A, and then back down. Okay, very good. See, I've got my InTune mic going, clipped on here, and I got my bra tuner here on the desk. And this is exactly how I use it when I'm playing. I don't stop to tune, or I don't play tuning notes. I just play. I just practice, and the tuner's just listening the whole time, and I see, oh, F's a little sharp, D's a little sharp, and then when I take a breather, I can just move the tape, right? Instead of the old way of having to play into the tuner and do all the tuning. Okay, let's go with some top hand exercises. Let's go to high A doublings. So same thing, 4 from every note, up and down the scale, high A doublings. Okay, good stuff. Let's go to another one of our bottom hand drills. Let's do Taorluaths. Just Taorluaths to low A. Dum, da-da-dum, dum, da-da-dum. So 4 Taorluaths from every note to low A. And even though you can do the Taorluaths from low G, let's just skip that for now. So starting with low A, up the scale all the way to high A and back down to low A, Taorluaths to low A. Okay, here we go. And if you're looking for something specific to think about when you're playing these drills, think about the thumb. This is a good one that will help the tension in your hands. It's one small thing that's very specific that will help with your tightness of your grip overall. For me, it's the thumb is like the canary in the coal mine. It's the first thing that I can notice if I'm starting to get a little bit fatigued or if I'm feeling a little bit of pressure, playing something difficult. The thumb just starts to just ratchet in tightly. So, and then the fingers will react and get tight. So just think about that thumb. Just the bare minimum pressure that you need there. Here we go, Taorluaths. Okay, very good. Now let's go back up to the top. High G doublings. Same drill. Now the way I like to think about high G doublings is a G grace note to F and then lift off. So G grace note to F and then lift off. And when you play it, if you want to play it sort of like extra solid for maximum clarity, make sure you can hear that F. Sometimes people just sort of just kind of throw the finger off, but get that a little bit of a solid F there. That'll help with, and that G grace note to F is right on the beat. So, da-da, da-da. Okay, high Gs. 4 from every note, starting on low G. Okay, very good. Let's take a look at let's do some GDEs. So since we're doing this from memory, we won't get too crazy with all the different types of GDEs, but let's just do staying on the same note. So GDEs on low G, low G, low A, B, C, and then back down. Just kind of go up and down a few times, 4 on every note. And again, think about your thumb. Keep your thumb relaxed. Tiny grace notes. Just really, really tiny grace notes, but with a minimum amount of tension there. Okay, so 4 on every note, up and down to C a bunch of times. Here we go. And kind of a moderate tempo here. All right, that's good. I like doing that. Nice and slow. By doing exercises a little bit moderate tempo, you can really take the time to think more about the precision of the beat, the crispness of the grace notes, and then again, just the foundation's a good form. Keeping the hands relaxed, keeping the fingers in close. Okay, I want to do some birls now. This might be the last thing that we do, but it's important to do some birls. It's such an important move. So let's try this starting from high A first. So high A down to a birl, and we'll do 4 on every note. We'll coming down from high A. Birls are a little bit trickier on the bottom hand, so we'll do reverse just to get a warm up. So E da-ba-dum, D da-ba-dum. 4 of those. High A all the way down to low A. And then we'll do that twice. High the way, not down and back up, but just high A down and then back to high A down. We'll do that a couple times. E da da dum, dee da da dum. The thing to think about when you're doing birl exercises is getting that first low A right on the beat, because the sort of default setting for most people is to play that birl a little bit ahead of the beat. So really think about dee da da dum, dee da da dum, getting that low A right on the beat. So 4 from every note starting at the top. Here we go. Good stuff.